Welcome back to our channel. This is Techie Rick. Today we are going to show you Redmi K50 Gaming Edition unboxing. This video shoot from Xiaomi Mi Store. So this is the first look unboxing. Okay, see guys, the box wise is looking a little bit different compared to the last model, but box is not made. Okay, let's look box inside. Inside the front side, mobile phone here, but box opening design look like same Redmi K40 Closely Edition. Yep. Okay, let's look. Inside of the box front side, mobile phone here. Yep, it's looking. Oh, it's nice. Yep, great. Okay, later she show the phone. Also, I'm close look later. Then, what more inside the box? On one full tab here on box bottom side. Oh, it's crazy design. Inside one AC adapter here. This adapter support 120 watts. 120 watts adapter, then Type C cable here. Good news is Xiaomi give you adapter still also 120 watts fast charging adapter. It's really great news because Apple, Samsung, more biggest brands stop the adapter, but Xiaomi give you 120 watts adapter. It's really great news. Then box top side, one more mini box here, mini box inside. I think Xiaomi this time give free case. Anyways, Xiaomi give you free case. Okay, let's look the phone, guys. This phone look like the same last model. It's not big different. Design wise, it's same. Okay, let's look the phone processor. Come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, DDR5 RAM, UFS 3.1 storage. Specs wise, it's really good specs because yeah, it's flagship specs, but it's a gaming phone. Price also mid range.